Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be preparing roast breadfruit in the oven. So guys, in this video, I am going to show you how I roast breadfruit in the oven. I don't know how you guys do it, but this is how I do mine. So if you're new here, a special welcome to you. Please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you can be a part of this awesome family. So first I am going to preheat the oven. So I am using a toaster oven. So what I am doing here is to preheat it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the breadfruit I will be roasting. So normally, to know if it can roast, I would check to see if there's any brown spot on it. Or if it is not very green, then I would roast it. But normally, if it is a bit green, it's going to take a longer time to roast. So as you can see guys, it is firm. Nothing is wrong with the breadfruit. So what I'm doing here is to make an X on the breadfruit. When you make the X, the breadfruit will soak throughout and it will bake faster, or it will roast faster, I should say. So I'm using the tip of the knife to do so. So it's time for me to place the breadfruit into the oven. So here I'm just doing that. Afterwards I'm going to close it and let it bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. It actually depends on how your oven works. So when I'm placing the breadfruit in the oven, I normally place it with the eggs on top. As I said earlier, I don't know how you guys do yours. So maybe you place the part where you remove the stem on top. It's now 40 minutes. So I'm going to check to see if it is finished roasting. So normally I will place a knife in the center. So if it goes right down to the bottom or where I remove the stem, then it's ready. It's fully baked. So I am going to test different parts in the eggs to see if the knife can go down. If it doesn't, then I'm going to place it back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes for it to soak a little bit more. So after the additional 10 minutes, I am checking it. So as you can see guys, it is fully baked. It took about 55 minutes. So guys, I love to eat my breadfruit fried. So after it has cooled down, I peel it. So this is how it looks. I don't really like to do mine very thin, but it's up to you how you want to slice yours. To me, fried breadfruit is nice. I don't like it this way. So I am going to go ahead and add the oil into the pot to fry them. So here I'm just adding a generous amount of oil into a frying pan. You can use the oil to your liking, but I love mine to be very crispy and golden brown. So here I'm just adding the breadfruit into the heated oil, and I'm going to fry each side until they are golden brown and crispy. After you are finished adding them into the pot, fry them on a medium to high flame. So here I am using a fork to turn them onto the other side. But while doing this step, I like to be gentle because I don't like when they are broken. finished frying. So what I normally like to do, I like to use a fork to pierce it, then I shake to remove the excess oil, then I place them on a plate. I don't like to use a napkin because I don't want them to become soft and saggy. You can also place them on a wire rack. So here I added another set into the pot, so I'm going to finish fry them off camera and then I return. This is the finished look. I served it with some steamed callaloo and some carrots. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please do share this video with your friends and family members. Ask them to come over to subscribe, to turn on their post notification bell so they will not miss any of my upcoming videos.